Yuchai Rotary Excavation has established a comprehensive after-sales service system. Relying on the strong support of Yuchai Group's global service network, Yuchai Rotary Excavation's service capabilities extend to overseas markets, with service stations established in over 20 countries including the United Arab Emirates, Russia, Indonesia, the Philippines, and Turkey. 4 locations more than 500 kilometers away from our service stations. We can arrive within 48 hours, efficiently meeting the needs of customers in different regions around the world. Our service engineers are fearless of hardships and bravely take on heavy responsibilities. Their professional services and dedicated attitude have been recognized by overseas customers and project teams. With a high sense of responsibility and superb skills, they have successfully completed round-the-clock support tasks for multiple equipment, providing consistent high-quality service guarantees for customers both at home and abroad.
育柴机器王牌动力。